welcome back to my channel. This is Super Beauty Desires channel and this is Prerna. So today I am here to share one interesting video with you guys. This is all about my makeup bag that I am going to carry, while traveling. Yeah, as you all know that I am gonna attend my brother's engagement, so yay for that. And I'm just going to go there in couple of weeks. So I am packing these days, packing all of my stuff, my clothes and my makeup, my accessories and all the things, all that kinds. So yeah guys, today I just want to share it with you guys that what all the things I will be carrying in my makeup bag. So let's get started guys. I'm so very excited to share it with you. So I have two makeup bags with me, because in one makeup bag I will be carrying all my face creams and all that things, and in one another bag I will be carrying all of the makeup stuff. So I have these two bags with me. Yeah, so these two bags I have. This is the one that I got from Fab Bag. As you all know, this is the September 2015 Fab Bag. I remember it guys. My second bag that I carry, I will be carrying with me. So it is a quite cute little pouch, all filled with all the makeup stuff. That's why it is so stuffy like this. And I got it from one mall in from the Washi. So I got 4 or 5 bags in it, one big bag, then this size of bag, then smaller than this, then other one which is very much small, that is used to carry coins with you. So I will be not talking so much because this video will be going to be longer. So yeah, sorry, I'm looking there again and again because my window is open for the very first time. So I has got all these stuff filled in. So one by one I will be showing you all the things that are kept in this bag. So here first of all comes my what should I show you first of all? Okay, I will be showing you lipsticks. My favorite things are lipsticks, so I'll be showing you lipsticks first of all. So I have got these 4 lipsticks in my bag. So first lipstick I will be carrying is this from Sugar Cosmetics. This is Sugar Cosmetics Vivid Lipsticks. I must show you guys. Yeah, so this is the packaging. As you all know, I have showed it to you earlier also, but it's quite difficult to apply onto your lips because it's this type of thing, this cuboid thing, so it is too much messy to handle it. First lipstick that I'll be carrying, and with the cover. Yeah, I like to carry my stuff with the cover. I don't know why. If the thing is new, I will be carrying it with my stuff. I know this is a weird habit, but what to do, I have it. So the next thing I will be carrying is this Bella Fairy lipstick. This is red color, pure red color. I like it so much, so I just carrying it with me because it's all festive vibes there. So red is the color that is the most required for us. Then next I will be carrying this Expressions lipstick. Blue Heaven Expressions lipstick. This is mauve color, purple color. I like it because in the morning or morning functions you can apply this, so I am carrying this one also. And then I am just carrying this what do we call, Frank Wilson lipstick. This stays for 8 to 9 hours, so I am just carrying this one for my function. So these 4 lipsticks I am carrying with me right now. And then one lip balm. Yeah, this is the foremost thing that I cannot forget to carry in my makeup bag. So this is the next thing. Then again, what I am carrying here are my brushes that I will be requiring. So I will be requiring only 2 brushes there. That is one blush brush and this is one eyeshadow brush. Yeah, so I have kept it in this packaging bag because it will not get blown. I know you all know that one blush brush I have torn that bristles. I don't know how it turned out, so I have to purchase one more blush brush. So here is it, and I'm just carrying it in this package right now. So yeah, this is the another thing that coming to my kajals and pencils and all the things. So I'm just carrying 2 of my kajals because I will be wearing blue color, turquoise color there. So I am carrying these 2 kajal pencils with me. This one is from Lakme Iconic. yeah, this is one from Lakme Iconic Kajal, and this is the Caprese blue color eyeliner. It is a very good turquoise color, so I like this so much. So I will be playing with these two colors. Yeah, black is the regular thing, and this is the matching. This is the color that is matching with my turquoise outfit. So I will be carrying these two kajals with me, and then I am having one this lip, what do we say, lip liner. Cap I have, I don't know where is the cap. So yeah, this is the lip liner. The next thing I am carrying is my sindoor. This is the Lakme sindoor. So it's quite good to carry these kind of sindoor. These are waterproof also. So yeah, next thing that I will be carrying there is this eyeshadow. This is the small eyeshadow that has 4 eyeshadows in it, because I will not be requiring so much of eyeshadows there, because I have done a trial of my makeup at my home. So I'll be requiring only 3 to 4 eyeshadows there. So I'll be carrying this Blue Heaven eyeshadow, that what do we say, palette. No, this is not a palette, but I don't know what it is. Then next thing I'll be carrying there is this is the eyelash curler. Yeah, so this is the eyelash curler I'll be carrying. Then these two nail paints I'll be carrying. This is the one from Nykaa, and this is another one from ADS nail paint. So blue is my color of the outfit, and this one is for the daily purpose. I like this color so much, it's so pretty. After that I have this Stanic the Balm stainer, cheek stainer. So I'll be using it in the morning for just tinted lip, not lips, cheek stains. And then one clutcher I have in this bag, so it's all empty right now. Okay, this is small thing is left. What is this? Okay, this is the brush, small tiny mini brush that is meant for eyeshadows. I have just thrown it somewhere, so I just got it right now. So yeah, this is the brush that I got in my blush, so it's in this also. And then this bag has 2 pockets also. This is pocket, and this one is there. So I'll be showing you what's inside this one. So okay, this is one. I am having one shower cap with me, because yeah, it is must to have one shower cap with you when you are traveling. Then I have this body mist. This is the summer snowflake body mist. This is quite cool, and I like this fragrance so much, so I will be carrying this body mist with me. So then okay, my this pocket is also emptied, and next jump to this pocket. So what I have in this pocket, okay, I have so many rubber bands in this, my pony bands in this one, and I have 2 sort of bindis that I'll be carrying. This is the one from Stones, Roop Saundarya bindis. So these are so small tiny bindis that I'll be oh my god, okay, so that I'll be wearing on the function night. And this is the one that that is for yeah, day purpose. This is quite this is the simple stones. I like this so much. So yeah, and these are all the rubber bands, as you can see. Yeah, I just want to show you more rubber bands. Yeah, so these are all the rubber bands. Okay, dripping off. So these are all the rubber bands that I will be carrying there. Then I have one mirror with me, and one blush. So this is the blush that I will be carrying there, and one hairpin. Okay, so this bag is all emptied now. What is this? Okay, one coin. This bag is all emptied now. Then next jump to I am having here is this one. So I'm just going to show you all the things kept in this bag. Ta-da! So all the things that I love most, I am just keeping in this bag. So first of all, here I have this Lakme Absolute Mascara. So this is the one that I purchased new from the market. I want to show you. I also purchased one Lakme Iconic Mascara that I have purchased from Nykaa.com, and this is the one that I recently purchased. Also, this is Lakme Absolute Mascara. This is so good mascara. And look at the packaging, guys, so good. Yeah, so I will be carrying it with this packaging also. I don't know why I carry stuff with this packaging. So next thing I have here is this BB cream. This is the BB cream from MAC. This is not the original MAC BB cream, but yeah, this is a good BB cream. So then this is having, I have this. The next thing what I have here is this nail paint remover. So it is the must, guys, because you are going to change your nail paints every day. So yeah, it is the must in your makeup bag. So I'm just carrying this one also. The next thing I'm carrying here is this watery face serum, because whenever I will be having whenever I will be having tired skin, so I am needing this night care skin routine. So I'll be having this one. So it is so good, and as I have dry skin, so it is the must in my makeup bag. And I also use it sometimes as my makeup primer. It is so good. Then next thing what I have here is this Nivea Smooth Milk Body Lotion for my hands, because I have a habit to rub my hands all over again and again. So next thing I have here is this Pond's BB cream. Then this is the Boro Plus, all finished. But yeah, in spite of that, I am carrying, because you never know whenever you need this Boro Plus. So I'm just carrying this one also, and this is BB cream, Pond's BB cream, small packet. Then I am having one handkerchief here. Yeah, so this is the handkerchief that I'll be carrying there in my makeup bag. It is the must. And then I have this small box. Yeah, as you can see, this is the traditional small box that we have for our sindoor or for keeping our jewelry. So I have it here also, and I am just going to keep some of my hair pins, safety pins, and some of my chains, all that kind of sort of. So yeah, this is another thing in my makeup bag. Then I have here is Nivea soft moisturizer for my face. After bath I just apply this, so I'm just carrying this also. Then last thing I have here is this Makeup Revolution cover and concealer. So yeah, this is the last thing in my bag. So all empty. Yeah, I have shown you all the things in this video. Guys, if you like this video and if you have enjoyed this video as much as I did filming this video, so please hit like button and please subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel. So please stay tuned to my channel also, and until then, stay stylish, stay beautiful. Bye, see ya, take care.